Front elevation is the face of every individual house. It's a statement. On the exterior part of the house, we are remodeling old front elevation into modern one. Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert. Yes, even the front elevation can be renovated, not just interiors. The design theme of this elevation is kept minimal with a suitable decor. The structure is painted with monochromatic colors of grey and the highlighter is ashberry. The gate is remodeled according to the design and the metal structure is added as a complement to the gate design. This is about the front elevation remodeling.